We're making a quick visit to the store of the Rainforest Cafe at Menlo Park Mall. There's a tree, there's one of its inhabitants, there's the bar. You know what I think it's time for then? Shenanigans, 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 shenanigans. We have these bear bees. It kind of looks like Winnie the Pooh, but it also looks like the doobie from Romper Room. Well, it's like a butterfly. Yeah. On sale we have those. Perhaps Jax would like one. And they wanted you to know, for a sale, to Tropic Like It's Hot. We have a bit of a storm inside. That's one Rainforest Cafe. That's two sales. Wow, there's a lot of thunder. Reminds me of a couple of days outside in New Jersey lately. We have more squishmallows. They're kind of bear, kind of tiger. This one looks like a bear and a donut mated. And you got a zebra. Rubble. You didn't know about that one. It's Marshall and Battle Cat Dragon. We go already.
Hi, I'm the Rainbow. I don't have legs, but now I have arms.
Yeah, dude.
And this looks like Romper Room Bee.
As I said,
but it's a little too expensive for me. Also, why is this $23 or $28? I'll show you. This is more expensive. $28 more expensive than that. And then how much are you?
How much is the elephant?
This elephant's
free. Oh my, wow.
Then we have Baby Shark Nursery Rhyme. You probably can't hear it in here.
Let's try. Just barely. Maybe it's better that you don't hear it. How about Pink Fog? Oh God, it's overpowering. And we got a little bit of rain as well. Like I said, it's just like it's been outside this week. On and off rain, on and off thunder. Not much has changed when you come inside here. So I picked up a cheap toy for Jax here, and we are now leaving the rainforest, and we are going to go to $1. Yep, it is called $1. And they sell drinks, chips, and candy, and hopefully some other things. That looks like the thing I got over at Rainforest. Hopefully I got a good deal there.
Welcome to the mock Disney Pooh collection.
Yes, we had another fake Pooh over at Rainforest. Now we have the Graduate.
Yeah.
Christopher Robin, are you trying to seduce me? That kind of looks like Piglet, the pink one does.
Nah,
it's a bear also, however.
Is this the Morton Salt girl?
What's
a little more?
Why, yes, I do believe it is. No, it's just a generic creepy looking girl. Looks like a mummy, kinda.
What do you think of him?
The fox. Pretty cute.
Damn it.
Yes. I know that dragon. I know.
Yes. We have Sparkly Mickey. Look, it's Valentine's stuff.
Okay.
And they have Marie.
like
Coming out of I don't know what.
one of the friendly cats, yes.
A rip-off of Build-A-Bear.
Build-A-Bear, yes. Spidey, Minnie. He said better be, but I doubt it.
No,
I doubt they're on sale. This wouldn't make too much sense.
Let's go look for your
Beans.
chalkboard. And,
Okay. In the cheapy toy aisle, we have mermaid. No size specified, just mermaid. And we have Pony Perfect. Again, no size specified, not little, not big, nothing. Just Pony Perfect. And there's another one. The mini mermaids are up there. Can you see it? Oh. Okay. Well, I have to rush. Hearing that, I'll have to rush over. I don't know if you heard that, but you'll see. We have Super Charisma, aka the Power Rangers.
you found
and the Future Force, more cheapy Power Rangers. Thank you.
Did that Rainforest Cafe do anything?
No, it's just points. We have the soccer game. Uno, even though it looks like old school Uno, which is good, but it's probably cheap also. Is there anything worthy of being on Phalos' channel on the bootleg zone? I don't know. Kitty Cash, the combat mission, more mermaid, truck, motor wheels. They're not motor wheels. They're not hot. It's not, brother. Yes, BattleBots. Wannabe Transformers. Yes. Are they one? Yeah, they kind of look like.
Do you need any envelopes?
Always. Okay.
I don't know what size.
Gotta go. And we have another rip-off. Please don't sue us, Mickey. Oh my God, they're not even trying. They're not even trying to not look like her. Mario Kart. But look at that. They're not. Is this a legit Disney thing? No, it is not. Oh my God. For $149. Please buy these. They'll need all the help they could get in the lawsuit. It is hot here. Luckily, we are going to be going in the pool later. And this is what I was told about when I was looking at the toys. The poop tumbler. And you got Tootsie Roll here. Some jigsaw puzzles with the actual Power Rangers. Some games. Etc. We were back after experiencing unemployment. Okay. IG-11. The Child. We all know he's Grogu now. And the Mandalorian. These are erasers that you could get. Then there's Marvel. And Chase might be... Well, I don't know. Maybe he'll like it. Or maybe he's too big for it. But I'm not too big for it. Does anyone want the hot doll line doll, complete with copywritten, illegal copywriting font? Oh, there's
Looney musical mobile.
It's a mobile for $36.99. Cute, but not for me right now. Then you could have the Enchanted Princess, another Enchanted Princess. Or you could just settle for doll. Who's that old guy with the Catgo cookie? It is a rip-off of these things here. I'm sorry. Every time I try to get out of here and pay, I see something else ridiculous. Here we have creative blocks. They're impossible to let go of. It's Bad Bunny. Now, is this the Bad Bunny, or is this meant to be something else? Okay, I thought so. On a cheeky Spider-Man shirt. Geno's. Godzilla and name only.
You got the guy? It's $2. It's the 2XL that says Among Us. $2.
Oh.
What?
There's a stain.
They took nice things.
It's civilians, but they have a stain somewhere. Yep, there it is.
Extra large.
There's a reason why it's $2.
And also, I'm going to do a taste test of. I have the Kit Kats later. I really like them. The
Yes.
chocolate hazelnut.
We're talking about the blueberry muffin Kit Kats. For now.
No, I was talking about the chocolate hazelnut ones,
Okay.
which are Kit Kats.
Okay.
Now I'm
But
going to
for
try
now,
this.
We have
Hulk
Hulk Smash
Cake Bites.
Cupcake Bites. Great for birthdays.
Got it?
Yes.
Um,
What do you think, Brock?
they're very soft. Was it fun? Were they in the car for a while?
Just a little, not too long. I kept it in my house most
I
of the time.
can't really taste much, but like a bunch of, I don't know, a lot of flavor in my mouth, but it's like I can't tell what it is. So you try one.
Okay. All right.
Like, is this supposed to be like pistachio or whatever?
You would think so, or mint.
But I don't think
I have
I
a
don't
feel. I have a
think
feeling
either.
it's just
food coloring.
food coloring. Okay. Delicious. Mmm.
What do you think? Can you taste? I just.
It just tastes like a typical cake, really. It's
Yeah, but
just
it says
normal. So I
nothing
think it's like
particular.
vanilla. I think it's just colored vanilla. Kind of fun if you're a Hulk fan, but other than that, it's just a cake.
Cake bites, and you have Spidey. All right, excuse me. Cake
Oh my
bites.
God, that pizza.
Stop it, Brendan.
Jesus, Brenda. H.
I need to eat the pizza.
Yeah.
So we thought of it. Just tastes like cake again with Black Panther. Now I'm gonna try Spider-Man.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you that. Black
And here's what's
pepper
in this
kind
one.
of tastes like fudge. It's like a piece of fudge.
It just tells you there's vanilla cream in here, and that's all they said. And Spidey sprinkles, rich dark chocolate
Black
coating.
Panther cake bite. So what was inside of it? Vanilla?
It says coconut vanilla cake.
Oh.
Rich, yeah.
Okay.
Chocolate cream
none of
sprinkle.
which I could taste.
Rich dark chocolate coating.
Alright, so Spidey sprinkles. Sorry that you were.
Yeah.
Sorry that you were
on the
talking
placemat.
in the. You were listening to us in the void. Here, I have to turn it around. Yeah.
Okay. And these were 2 for $3 at Rite Aid in case anyone's interested. And I threw out the Hulk not looking underneath here, but it doesn't matter. It's probably also vanilla cream and then Hulky sprinkles and green.
Gamma ray, green. Okay. How does that make you feel?
Okay.
Okay. Now it's my turn. Okay, let's see. Spidey sprinkles, vanilla, rich dark chocolate covering.
Well, you're on video.
Okay.
Babe, you try one?
It's like the Hulk one. It's just plain typical cake. Good for a quick snack. Nothing mind blowing, but
It's just like you want sugar.
yeah.
You want a quick, no, you want a
Which
quick
is all the
chocolate.
time. Which is all the time.
But
These
these,
wants with chocolate, with cake.
these are new as far as we know. I never saw them before. And you got the other ones where?
At Quick Check.
Okay. And did you say that they had another character?
There is Iron Man, but we did not see him.
Okay. And I also got this for,
Here's a look at some of the haul.
yeah, that's going to be,
$149. No, $5.99. Or is it $149?
well, it was
It's
$149.
If it was. Okay. Anyway,
And this,
the music of Curious George, and
you're going to have AM Gold from 1973. Which, did it come to $8?
yes, $7.99.
No? How much? He doesn't know. I'll have to look. Is there a receipt in either one of those?
And I wish this was. This is one thing. This is one thing I wish.
And I got folders, which aren't too exciting.
Not there. Here now is the Gerardo family pool. There's the deep end. Here's the middle where I lost my glasses one summer. And in a little while we can say that finally we have come back to the pool. So here is the one inflatable I was able to do. The drinking swan. Yeah, I know, it's lonely out there, isn't it? He needs to be cleaned out a little bit as well. And the swan says, "Good night, everybody."